Welcome to the final project. This brief tutorial will show you how to add documentation to your final project document. So what we'll do is, starting from our RTF document, we're going to add documentation at the very end. So you can put a few spaces after the end of your annotations and then type in documentation. And what we'll do is go over how to add documentation for books and ebooks, database articles, and website sources. First, let's go over how to add documentation for books and ebooks. What we'll do is go to our library homepage and go to the online collection catalog. What we're going to do is search for our book, and when we find our books in the catalog, we'll click on the title and scroll to the very end of the item record where we will find something called a permanent link. When we click on this link, we'll notice that the link in the address bar has changed. We're going to select and copy this link, go back to our document, and paste the link. And that's all you need to do for your book documentation. It's the same process for ebooks. If we go back to our library catalog and find an ebook, we simply click on the title, click on the permanent link, select and copy the link in the address bar, go back to our final project, and paste the link. Next up, we have database articles. So what we'll do is go over how to use the permalink option from the EBSCO databases, and also how to copy and paste the article link from databases other than EBSCO, such as the Opposing Viewpoints database. But let's start with Academic Search Premier, which is an EBSCO database. What we would do is search for our article, click on the title of the article, and on the right-hand side of the page, under the Tools menu, we'll see an option called Permalink. If we click here, well, normally this link shows up, but what happens is when you click Permalink, you would see a permalink box appear here, and you would copy and paste that into your documentation. Okay, now that we actually have our permalink working, go ahead and select the link in the permalink box. We'll copy it, go back to our Word document, and paste the link. If you are using an article from another database that isn't EBSCO, for example, like Opposing Viewpoints, what you would do is find your article here, and while there is no permalink in the Opposing Viewpoints database, what you can use is the URL that's located at the very top of the page in the address bar, or if you scroll all the way to the very end of the article, you'll see a really long document URL, and you can select this, copy it, go back to your Word document, and paste your link. Lastly, we'll go over websites. Now, websites, you need two links. You need the link to the specific website, and that's also the same link that's in the citation for your website, and you also need the link to the website's About Us page. So what we'll do is when we get to our specific web page, we'll go ahead and copy and paste the link. And when I do documentation, I like to specify which is the website and which is the About Us page. So we'll go ahead and paste the link to the specific website. I'll make a separate one for About Us, and we'll go back to the website, go to the About Us page, select the link, copy it, go back to our Word document, and paste the link. And that's basically it for documentation. It's really copying and pasting a bunch of links. There's one link for books and ebooks, one link for database articles, and then two links for websites, and that would be the specific web page link and the About Us page link. If you need further examples, go to Module 8, look at our annotated bibliography example, or feel free to message me in D2L or email me at my losmedanos.edu account.